this is the continue part of Hurricane Igor. Luckily, this is after continued part. As you'll see, there's a bunch of mist up in the air. It's Hurricane Igor striking hard. Oh, look at that! Look at that! Look at that! Oh, that's harsh. Well, you really hear a lot of it there, folks. A lot of wind. And watch this, there'll be a big breeze. There's a big wave coming right now. Let's see if I'm able to spot it. Big wave. And there it is. It's coming. Eventually. Oh my god. Oh, you see that? Little gust there. It'll be hard to see, but still. Who knows? It's causing it could be just regular waves or an Igor. Who knows? For sure. Look at the trees over there across the island. They're shaking really fast. You'll see a bunch of breeze. Well, I'll continue it into the next version. The part 3 version. It'll be better, because then I'll be able to focus better. And hopefully I won't blow away. Please stay tuned, folks.